Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2021 19 SPX. What a great little boat this does. It does everything very, very well. It's the new white, the nice white color. It's got a very large bimini top on it, and it's powered by the Mercury 4-stroke 150. Ton of horsepower. It's a little rocket ship. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we're on board the 19 SPX. Let's start at the back of the boat. We've got the Merc 4-stroke, 150 horsepower, ton of horsepower for this boat. You've got the beautiful black and gray sea deck on the back on the swim platform. Very, very comfy. You've got the ski tower, ski pole for towing, which is for tubing, that kind of stuff. Nice to have. It is removable. You've got a cooler, nicely stowed underneath, and the battery, so very good access for the cooler and the batteries. As we move in, you've got very large storage. So the sun pad converts into the storage here. You've got a ton of room, fenders, lines, you name it, toys, noodles, and you've got a lot more storage over here as well. So all the way across, ton of storage, plenty of room for all your stuff. You've got storage again, or a cooler underneath down here. And then the seat, this will actually come out if you don't want this. So this is removable. It can be just a regular seat, or it can be a lounger. So it really does a little bit of everything, very versatile. So we move over to the helm area. Very nice Sea Ray bucket seat, so very, very comfortable. And then you've got the nice dash with the gauges up there with the depth finder. You've got the Fusion stereo and a tilt steering wheel, so a place to charge your phones. So very nice setup at the dash. Large storage underneath. That for a small boat, that's a ton of storage as far as knapsacks, backpacks, you name it, beach bags, all nice and dry in there. As we move up to the bow, very comfortable. You have two nice lounges, but you can put forwards outs up here comfortable. You've got grab bars, you've got stereo with the Fusion speakers on it. It's very, very comfortable. It rides nice. It's a lot of fun. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.